Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. November's job market shows resilience with a rebound in non-farm payrolls despite recent storms and strikes, while unemployment edges up to 4.2%. In political appointments, Trump taps former PayPal COO David Sacks as the new AI and crypto czar. Meanwhile, Oshkosh faces potential setbacks with reports suggesting it might lose the USPS contract for fleet electrification. Tech stocks see mixed fortunes as AMD slips following Amazon's comments on AI chip demand, while social media rivals gain after a federal court upholds the TikTok ban. Health insurance stocks take a hit due to an incident at United Health, but Altria gets a boost as BofA upgrades its status to buy. Bitcoin continues its impressive rise with a 132% increase over the year and is set for another weekly gain. Lastly, in response to cyber threats like the Salt Typhoon hack on U.S. telecoms, the FCC chair proposes a draft plan to bolster cybersecurity defenses. Stay tuned after this short ad break for more insights into these headlines. Non-farm payrolls increased by 227,000 in November, exceeding expectations and bouncing back from October's disruptions. The unemployment rate went up to 4.2%, with a slight decrease in labor force participation. Average hourly earnings rose by 0.4% compared to the previous month. Job growth was robust in healthcare and leisure sectors but fell in retail trade.
President-elect Donald Trump has appointed David Sacks, former chief operating officer of PayPal, as his White House artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency czar. Sacks will concentrate on online free speech and establishing a clear legal framework for the cryptocurrency industry. He will also head the Presidential Council of Advisors for Science and Technology.
Oshkosh Corporation shares dropped 5.7% following reports that the Trump administration might cancel the U.S. Postal Service's electric vehicle contracts with Oshkosh and Ford Motor Company. This action seeks to reverse President Biden's EV subsidies and may need an executive order due to legal challenges.
Advanced Micro Devices shares dropped by 2% following an Amazon executive's comment about low demand for AMD's AI accelerators on Amazon Web Services. However, AMD emphasized its collaborations with Microsoft and Meta, forecasting $5 billion in AI accelerator revenue for 2024.
Bank of America has upgraded Altria Group to a buy rating, with a new price target of $65. This decision is influenced by potential benefits from Republican policies, such as lower corporate taxes and tighter border controls, which could enhance earnings. Additionally, Altria might benefit from reduced regulation and a stronger convenience channel.
A federal court has upheld the U.S. ban on TikTok, rejecting its appeal against the law. Following this decision, rival social media stocks saw significant gains. Snap increased by 7%, Meta Platforms rose over 2%, and Alphabet went up by 1%. Rumble experienced a jump of over 20% before the ruling. TikTok intends to appeal to the Supreme Court.
Shares of major health insurers fell after the shooting death of United Health Group's United Healthcare Division head, Brian Thompson. United Health shares dropped 5%, Elevance and CVS Health fell 3%, Centene and Cigna slid 2%, and Humana declined nearly 1%. The suspect remains at large.
Bitcoin has surged past $100,000, rising 4.32% this week before dipping slightly. The cryptocurrency's growth is fueled by Donald Trump's election win and potential strategic reserve plans. Institutional interest and ETF inflows are expected to push Bitcoin higher, with predictions of reaching $200,000 next year.
The outgoing chair of the Federal Communications Commission recommends that communication service providers certify their cyber attack prevention strategies every year. This suggestion comes after a breach by the Chinese hacker group Salt Typhoon, which infiltrated U.S. telecommunication infrastructure to steal consumer data. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Until next time, keep navigating the world of business with confidence. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.